Story Shark presents
The Forgetful Night by Michelle Robinson and Fred Blunt. Once upon an olden day, a knight in armor rode away. Then again, he had no horse. Did I say rode? Poof. He strode, of course. That's right. He strode across the land with half a sandwich in his hand. Meow. A sword! That's what I meant to say, because the knight was on his way to what? A party? Movie night? Hang on, I know. A daring fight. He had to slay, what's its name? A thingy-bob. Not that, too tame. What's scaly, huge, and breathes out flame? A dragon! That's it, big and green, but mostly it was just plain mean. It liked to snaffle people's pets. It had a field day at the vet's. Next, nom nom nom. And worst of all, this dragon ate Sir Clopalot, the knight's best mate. Sir Clopalot was handsome, hairy, tall. I'm sorry, I just can't recall. But he was special, that's a fact. And so our knight just had to act. I miss my friend, he cried, and so that nasty dragon has to go. At last he found the dragon's cave and strode right in, for he was brave. Not brave, I mean he was quite scared. Bark, bark, bark. Go in the cave? He never dared. Bring, bring. He grabbed his phone, he dialed home. Said, Mommy, help, I'm all alone. No, he was too bold for that. I'm sure he would have fought that cat? I mean, dragon. He did. He went and fought the beast. Or was it that he bought a feast? I'm hungry, curly fries for me. And you? The story, right, let's see. You ate my friend, the brave knight said. But hang on, was Sir Cloppy dead? Amazingly, from far away, there came a faint and friendly neigh. The knight's best friend was Clop the horse. I knew that all along, of course. Nom nom. Whoosh. Yee-haw! The knight attacked. The dragon coughed. Ah, poof. Our hero held his snot sandwich sword aloft. He wasn't pulling any punches. Out came all the dragon's lunches. Say sorry, our brave knight demanded. The dragon, feeling reprimanded, chose to set his pants alight. Ah! That did it. Grrr. What an angry knight. Charge! He bashed the dragon in the head. Bang! The dragon bashed him back. Roar! Bat! They're dead. The end. Hang on, the dragon didn't die. He got told off and had a cry and never ate a pet again. Well, just a small one now and then. I think the knight survived as well. It's really very hard to tell since someone lost his memory. The knight? That's right. The knight was me. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this reading of The Forgetful Night, please like this video. Or better yet, subscribe to our channel and be sure to check out for more fun stories from Story Shark coming soon.